Hello, garden buddies. Sorry it's been a while since I've posted anything. Just wanted to say good morning or afternoon, day, whatever it is, wherever you are, and welcome you to another episode of Gardener on a Mission. I just wanted to show you a quick little video of a winter wonderland while it's pristine before it all gets messed up. This is what February 16th looks like here in Northeast Ohio, in my neck of the woods. Hope everybody's had a good holiday season and everything's been good this winter for you. And look forward to some gardening videos and some what nature has to offer for us in the realm of plants and growth and stuff this year. Hopefully I'll get a few more done this season than last. You can see a little breeze kicking up some snow there. Kind of chilly, but I just thought this was beautiful and wanted everybody to see it. I know this is just a quick video. Have a great day and arrivederci.